Hey guys, welcome. Beto Rodriguez here, and today we're going to talk about how you can build automation for your Instagram and Facebook. We're going to use a platform where we're going to fix it. We're going to build automation for Instagram. So you can do so much for Facebook. Well, this Builderall platform, for those of you who don't know, it has more than 35 tools. So you can develop your business, your digital marketing. You can make websites, website builder, sales funnel builder, email sequence with email marketing, right? With a scheduled email trigger tool. You have Builderall Zap, so you can send automated WhatsApp messages. You have countless tools in here for you to work on. So you can move on to the next book. What is important for you to know? Nowadays, knowing about digital automation is as important as the other tools you know. Why? Because you will be ahead of your competitor. Near your house, there is a pizzeria, there is a butcher shop, there is a bakery. There are several stores where you can sell your automation service. People can buy pizza through Instagram, Facebook. They can buy anything. You can prepare an automation where they respond automatically, right? And the person talks to the automation until the order arrives. And detail. Today we're going to link WhatsApp with automation and email. So the person will enter through Instagram, through a post that we will post. Because according to Instagram guidelines, you cannot start talking to the person out of nowhere. So the person has to authorize you. There is a 24-hour window, a 7-day window, a series of things that exist within Instagram guidelines that can get your account banned. Okay? You can get shadow banned or even lose your account. So we have to know how to work. We have to work properly so that we can do clean work without any problems. So come on, here's the platform. You will log in to your platform. For those of you who don't have it yet, who are interested, I have a link below which will give you 14 days of access to Builderall so you can test everything I'm telling you. Everyone in there has courses that teach you a lot of things. I'll give you an example. Look, there's a lot of training here. Look, there's what I told you about email triggering. There's 30 days of automation mentoring. This is amazing. You learn everything I'm telling you here and many more things here. There are 30 days of mentoring. It was a mentoring that was done live and which is now recorded within the platform only for those who have the platform, for those who are subscribers. So 30 days during each day, there was a live broadcast explaining ways and how do you automate everything, right? So there are a lot of applications, a lot of tools here that I think are really cool. This one is amazing. How are you going to do it? You will come here and look, you will create a course, and how does it work? I'll show you here in the other one where there's already 30 days of mentoring. It was all recorded inside. So it's like a Netflix area. Look how cool it is, you see? There are banners here with the classes, and each class you click on here, look, it has the specific classes for each module here. Look, then you go back. Each module has it there. Look, everything you need to learn here to work with automation. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do in the tool is the following. We go here to Applications, and we go to 5.0. We are going to build the email list so that we can, within the automation, create the automation connected with the list. First, I create the list. Come here. 5.0, open here. We come here and see the lists. Click here. It will open all the lists you have. If you don't have any, it will be blank here. And you click on Create List. So there are already some lists here. I will create a list. What is the name of the list? It will be Test Automation, okay? And form the input type, simple entry, okay? It doesn't need to be double. To exclude singles too, because there are doubles. How does it work? The person clicks, enters the data there, clicks, and a screen appears for them. You need to enter your email, click to activate the link to confirm. So let's make it simple. You don't need that, okay? This is very important for you to call so that we can connect it with the automation tool. Don't forget to turn it on here and save. Okay, you saved the list, right? Now you come here to Forms, click here. These are the fields that will be there in your automation. When the person has the name, telephone number, and email, these are the fields that we will place here. So what are the main fields here? Well, F-name is name. Let's put it here first. Email is perfect here. Now phone, let's put the prefix up. This prefix here is important. Why? Because it's the country's prefix, okay? How is it? It's the prefix that 55 is Brazil. It's the United States, the country that the lead is putting in, okay? So what's important here? Let's go. Properties. Don't put anything here. You just come here and put it here as mandatory, okay? Because it's mandatory for him to put the name also mandatory, and the telephone number also leaves it as mandatory. Okay, that's done here. Now you will understand these ones. F-name, email, and phone. These are the variables that we will use in the automation. Now let's update here, okay? Updated, let's close here so you can open the Instagram chatbot, which is this one. Click here, chatbot on Instagram, perfect. And then here I have my accounts connected. Add account, you click here and click here. Look, when you click, it shows you here. Look there how you are connected. You click, it will show you your options. Look there, it has connected more one. See? So he connected one more here. Then you come here and manage Instagram pages and accounts. It will show you the accounts you have. You see? When I connect, for example, this one, connect this page, it will show me Instagram too. This is how you connect easily, calmly. Let me just take it out here. It's normal as it was before. Otherwise, I don't have a problem. So you click here on your Instagram, click on Create Flow. What is Flow? Flow is the canvas where you will develop everything. Then you come here to create a name for Flow, my Instagram automation test. Beauty. Okay. Clicked here. Cool. You click on it, it opens here. Then this one, each stage will be like this one. So how do you do it? Add action. What is the action? The first will be a quick response. You come here to the pencil, click, and then it will open here. Look, which is cool, right? Hello, everything is fine? You can even put the person's name here. Look, hello, I'll give you a tip. To begin with, you come here, look, insert the subscriber's name variable. Why? Because this name here is the name that will be there on Instagram, that will pull it from the Instagram account. Hello, name. All good? Can I send you the automa? So here, cool, there's the secret. You'll click here to create an answer. Then you look, answer, you could give several answers. Yes, to save. Why? Because then he will click yes, and Instagram will understand that you are authorized to chat with him, that he has authorized you to chat with him. So you click save, okay? And then you come to a new step. You click here. Step 2, what are you going to call it? #2, okay? We take it here. Look, tell this kitchen. Click because this play here has nothing to do with it. This has nothing to do with it. Don't click here. It's nothing. And the person sees here to run the system, right? It was add action message. What type of message? To ask? Any amount? No. You click here, okay? It's already written. Let's go. What is your name? Okay. What is important here? The person will type their name. To enter her name, you need to store this name so that the email and bit.t when using P can send it to the person to understand that Maria, That João. What are you doing here? Add variable. Which variable? Name. It's already here. Look at the name. She's like, what? It is like a string because it's not a number. It's not an email. It is not a phone number. So it's what it is, a string. So just save it. Okay? What is your name? Perfect. You already put it here. Come here. Click in here. Look. Name string clicked here. Save. Great. Second step is done. Right. What are you going to do now? You're going to connect step 2 to step 2 here. Look. That's it. Because when the person responded, the automation will play step 2. Okay, so step 3, #3. Okay? What are you going to do now? Let's see. Step 3, add an action. What's the first one? I want to take a break. How long? Pause 3 seconds. Great. Let's add another action. Message, ask, because otherwise it gets too fast, right? After 3 seconds, it gives the feeling that you don't love automation. So what are you going to do here? Click on the pencil here. Look, what is your name? Click here. Now you will enter your email. You will ask the person for your email, right? Email, perfect. What are you going to do? The same thing, add a variable named email, like email saved, and then what are you going to do? Come here, and click on email. That's it. That's perfect. Save. Step 3 is ready. And now I connect step 2 to step 3. Perfect. Next action, we're going to get the person's phone number. What is this step? I'm going to put it as WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Perfect. I'll drag it here again, put it on the side, add an action. I'll put it here. Look, pause for 3 seconds so it doesn't get too high, right? And then we add another action, a message, a question. I click here on the pencil, and if you have any questions, put something like this, Junior. I am creating here, and you put your words. It's a great show. Now, can you tell me your phone number? That's what's important. And there, remembering, put it here. Look, the phone. Necessary. Whatever the format, pay attention now, look. Country, D and the other's phone 9999999999999. This is very important for the Mailingboss system to understand and accept this as a telephone number. So skip a line. Remembering that it needs to be exactly as I typed above, okay? So what are you going to do? Variable. Add variable, that telephone. Beauty. Phone number string, saved, beauty. Now we're going to connect point 3 to point 4. One very important thing that I haven't mentioned here is for you to add a condition here to the telephone variable. You put the variable here, right? You chose the telephone variable, right? Phone. So you come here and add a condition. What is the condition? Valid phone number. Then you come here to save and come here to save. Perfect. It worked perfectly. Now the system will recognize when the phone number is valid. Now let's move on to the last step here within Flow. Put the end here. Okay. Add. Let's drag it here to get it right. To add, a pause, okay? 3 seconds, add 1. It could be a simple rosary here. Let's go. Cool. I sent for you email and WhatsApp. Please check there. I created it, right? Cool. What am I going to do now? Here we're going to add an action, which is the important action. Before that, we're going to call it here. I can't forget. Link this step here with this ending. And here we're going to add where we are going to connect with Mailingboss, then send data to Mailingboss. Okay? It will open here. Click on the pencil here. And then what data do I want to send? Which form? It's the automation test, the one we created, automation test. Then he gave me the prefixes that were there. Look, see? Remember that we created the form? Now that F name is what? Is it the name, email, and the email, and the phone? It's the cell phone. Saved? Everything okay? Everything okay? No, now we go to the system so we can validate it. Before that, we come back here. And how do we activate this here? Through a word, text, and put it in the comment, reply to the comment responder. I already have a post here, right? So you come here, add post to autoresponder. It will open all my posts. I'm going to use this one. Select this post. Cool. There. I'm going to click on it. Add response rule to post. You click here, select automation, test automation, Instagram. Wait, there's no need to wait. It can be automatic. Understand? Is here. Look, text comment contains a complete sentence. You're saying that he threw this. He will start from comment. Text contains, which does it contain what? The phrase, for example, automation. Okay, when the person types automation in there, in the comment, it will trigger this entire system. When anyone comments on this automation post, the person's direct message will open with automation working. Okay? Okay, cool. Everything is fine. Where do we go now? Let's go to this step here. Look, we're going to Mailingboss. Okay, we're going to create the flow of the system now. Now that the bug is going to catch on, now that the thing is going to happen. Workflow. Then create workflow. From what point onwards is he registered in where? The list that lists. This one looks list, test automation, any form. Okay? Closed. Then he entered workflow. What is the first action we're going to take? We will send emails. We click here on send campaign. Let's campaign. Will be automation. All welcome. Saved, okay? Creating beauty. We come here and choose the domain. If you don't have the domain configured at the federal level, there is a video here in the training teaching. Send me WhatsApp for anything and I'll explain how to do it. And then here you enter your email address for the person. Hello, how cool that you made it. You arrived here. Stay tuned. Then I will send you emails with new strategies. Hugs. Beth. Rodriguez. Then you come here to update. Perfect. Save and activate. Perfect, you save. Perfect, he's here. Here it is configured. What's the next step now? We're going to shoot WhatsApp. As? Here, look. Send instant message. You click on this one, name, required, test automation. Instagram, perfect. WhatsApp application. Form lists, the one we did automation testing. Great, right? Wow. We managed to arrive until here. From now on, you will receive several WhatsApp with new strategies. Stay tuned. Perfect. Then it's saved here. Look. Everything is okay. First of all, I forgot the details. Come here, click here, go back there. You need to activate here. Look, you activated, right? Update. Great. Saved. Look, it's configured. Perfect. Now the person enters the automation arrives, the person enters the name arrives, and the email arrives. Now we're going to test if it really worked, right? What are we going to do? We go here to Beta Rodriguez post here. Let's click on the post and let's comment on automation. Automation. Publish. We will see. Look there. Can I help you, okay? Can I see automation here? I click yes. We will see. What is your name? Beta Rodriguez. What is your email? See? Put my email here and see. Great show. Now, can you tell me your phone number? I need it to be in the format, remembering that it needs to be exactly as typed above. Okay? Okay, so let's go. The phone number is 55. Such a great show. I sent you an email and WhatsApp. Please check. Perfect. Everything works. I'm not going to show you email and WhatsApp because as I've already registered mine, there's no way to reach me. But if you go to my post, put automation in that post. It will reach you. Okay? So that's cool. Below, there's a link to the 14 days so you can test it, so you can do automations there. And who knows, maybe you can continue with the Builderall platform, which has a lot of cool things. So thanks, that hug, and see you in the next video.